Hello, dear viewer. Today we went to Suusamyr, a place where time seems to slow down. Wide open valleys, endless meadows, and mountain ridges all around create a feeling of freedom and peace. Here you can taste fresh hummus, ride horses across the alpine pastures, drink crystal clear water, and be inspired by the greatness of the mountains. The weather today is perfect. The air is cool and refreshing, and the mood is bright and joyful. Everything you need for a true escape from the noise of the city. We slowly walked along the riverbank, listening to the sound of water rolling over the stones and the gentle wind carrying the scent of mountain grass. Suusamyr is famous not only for its vast pastures, but also for its wild and rushing rivers. In these icy streams lives the trout, often called the royal fish. It survives only in the purest rivers with strong currents, and every sighting of it is a true gift for a fisherman. We were lucky to catch a few beautiful specimens, and they turned out to be incredibly delicious. Each catch reminded us of how rich and alive this land truly is. But this trip is not only about fishing, it is also about slowing down, breathing deeply the mountain air filled with oxygen, and noticing the little details around you. The shine of stones in the water, the reflection of clouds on the surface, the call of birds high above. Walking along a mountain river is not only relaxation, but also health. The air here is special, enriched with oxygen thanks to the fast flow of water and countless waterfalls. Every breath feels like it fills your lungs with freshness and strength. Scientists say that such walks improve heart function, boost the immune system, and reduce stress. And of course, it is the best way to clear your mind from unnecessary thoughts and feel true peace. Here, among the rivers and peaks, you begin to feel how small a person really is, and at the same time, how free. Every step along these trails, every hour spent in silence, fills the body with strength and the heart with calm. Stay with me on this journey. Ahead, there will be new roads, new discoveries, and the most authentic views of Kyrgyzstan's wild nature, places where beauty remains pure, and every moment feels like a gift.